emergency for Limestone County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Limestone County Emergency Management Agency in Athens, Alabama. Road reports from throughout the county indicate that all roads are becoming extremely dangerous to impassable due to snowfall this afternoon and evening. Any travel should be limited to emergency travel only. Road crews are trying to treat areas that have become ice-covered. However, with the continued snowfall, conditions are dangerous for road crews as well.